Hey everyone! Welcome back to Online Scam Advisor, where we uncover the truth behind trending online products and services. Today, we're diving into something that's been buzzing all over the internet, the Alien Power Cleaner. Is it really a miracle solution for stubborn stains, or just another clever gimmick? Let's find out. The Alien Power Cleaner is marketed as a powerful all-purpose cleaning spray that claims to remove dirt, grease, and grime from almost any surface. From kitchen tiles and ovens to car wheels and bathroom sinks, it promises to clean everything with ease. The name sounds out of this world, but is the product really that advanced? Some users rave about it, saying it cut through oil stains and made old appliances look brand new. But others share a different story: weak spray bottle quality, inconsistent results, and a chemical smell that's not exactly pleasant. A few even claimed it worked no better than a regular kitchen cleaner. Alien Power Cleaner doesn't clearly list its ingredients on many online listings, which raises red flags. Without knowing what's inside, it's hard to say whether it's as safe for delicate surfaces or even safe to breathe in while using. The product usually sells for $19.99 depending on the seller, often marketed with limited time offers or get 4x the cleaning power free schemes. Alien Power Cleaner might work decently for light household cleaning, but there's nothing alien or magical about it. It's definitely not a substitute for professional-grade cleaners. The shady listings, lack of ingredient transparency, and mixed reviews make it a risky buy. If you've tried the Alien Power Cleaner, let us know your experience in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Online Scam Advisor, your go-to place for honest reviews and scam alerts. Stay safe, shop smart. Thank you.